Worry-free fun that lasts. Our 3-wheel scooter grows with your child with a height-adjustable stem and support for up to 100 pounds. And you get peace of mind knowing it exceeded ASTM standard consumer safety specification for toy safety, F963. Natural Controls LED wheels. The best scooter for kids is one that offers a more natural way to ride. Our pivot turning system is simple, even for beginner scooter riders, just lean to turn. And kids love the colorful, eye-catching light-up wheels. Better balance for young riders, wide, grippy deck that's low to the ground. Dual 4.7-inch front poo wheels. All combine for a smooth, balanced ride for first-time riders as well as those graduating from our K2 toddler scooter. Easy assembly. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, the K5 is a beginner trike scooter that's durable, lightweight and easy to assemble. No extra tools required. Sport type. Outdoor lifestyle. Top reviews from the United States. It will become a part of your family. Got this for our daughter's 7th birthday in March. I think my daughter has forgotten how to walk since I never see her not on this thing. She rides it everywhere, in the driveway, down the street, to the bathroom, to the refrigerator, dance routines, everywhere. It's like she can't let it go. Might have to intervene, but she is just so darn cute on it. Build quality is great, very sturdy and very easy to assemble. Wheels still light up even after 2 months of constant use.